Yo, wetty. We mad again, we mad again. Please come mad up now. No. Anyway, anyhow. No girl getting low, cause I had 10 drinks in a row. Head bad and a proud, real mass in a crowd. Vibes high like a cloud, and the whole place getting loud. Ruction! Do me a favor, don't tell me about behavior. Do me a favor, don't put me in no jail now. Do me a favor, don't tell me about behavior. Do me a favor, yo why? Last time that I check, we just mash up all fit. Last time that I check, whole party get wrecked. Last time that I check, everybody in sweat. Last time that I check, only police upset.
Good morning. It's Children's Carnival Day. You have no shirt on, girl.
Good morning.
And we're getting Taylor ready for Carnival. It's New Year's Eve, and this is our first time playing Mass in St. Kitts. She's excited because she was surprised. So we're gonna get her partially dressed and then take her to the location where they get them fully dressed. You excited? I can't believe those fit you. Little Miss Taylor's getting ready. Look at her stockings. Look at you, baby, with your little sequins. Oh, okay. This is Taylor's partial costume. It's called the Culture Warriors. Getting Taylor dressed. Little Miss Taylor is all ready for the parade. This is just part of her costume. Excited? You're shimmering, girl. Morning. So today is Taylor's parade, guys. We're hanging out on the side of the street waiting for them to come down the road. There's nobody here yet. It's supposed to start at 1. What time is it, babe?
101.
101. There's literally not a soul coming down the road, and they had the nerve to tell us 1 p.m. sharp. The TV station is just showing up. Literally, there are 2 other people sitting up the road. Nobody. Okay? Get y'all ish together. So this is Taylor's troupe right here.
braids look good from the back when they tie up.
Babe, the colors in this one look way better. Mommy got a picture with her? Ready for Carnival tomorrow? This is just the beginning, people. Just the beginning.
Davina, you're gonna get something, she said.
Ready for Carnival tomorrow?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. I'm gonna be out there showing out, fat man stomach and everything.
We gonna be
All
jumping up. Today's Taylor's Day, though.
Yeah, we just walked to Taylor Pass too. About to walk up to 4th Street and wait for them to come back up. Now the street's so busy, so buzzing. But we out here, you know. It's a little warm up.
Yeah, Taylor was got hers too.
Tomorrow y'all gonna see us on the road and we gonna be tramping.
What's that? He said sky juice? Oh,
No, that's regular, man.
no. Doesn't they have Franco?
Yeah.
I want a Franco.
Careful, mommy. You okay back there? That wine still kicking in?
I was ready to catch him, and I was ready to catch him. Sweet, sweet sugar cane.
How much pound of sugar you got now?
10 pound of sugar, ain't enough pound of sugar.
Are you excited?
Yes. Wait. Do you need paper? Oh.
Daddy, you excited? You have to give a smile if you're excited.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Smile. Okay, that's nice. This is what costumes they're going to be wearing. Frozen.
Good morning, guys. Look at what we have coming on. Ultra Carnival. We ready for the road? We ready for the road? This is mine. This is Travis's. Look at all this goodness, y'all. Look at all this goodness, y'all. Yes. Melissa on the road. That's Babes.
Mommy looks different.
Yeah? It feels good? Okay. It looks better? Taylor messed up my armbands and threw them in the garbage. Hello people. This is Melissa in her costume. My first time playing mass. And as you can see, I'm feeling myself. Yes, totally feeling myself. Look at this gorgeous outfit. My makeup, courtesy of YouTube. Thank you guys. My Amazon hair. Mommy, I look nice? Yeah, man. Herbie, I look nice? Yeah, answer. He said, go put on some clothes.
Is there something fun? Strictly facts. From front or the back. One big girl's team. Is a snack pack. Is a scene. Every carnival. And it's that. It's a different kind of vibe. You see the girl them a wine and bubble all night in a different kind of style. See the girl them a wine and bubble all night. To me, oh my. See the girl them a wine and bubble all night. To me, oh my. In 4, 3, 2. Real girl whining, real woman whining. Real girl whining, real woman whining. Real girl whining, real woman whining. Is a scene, is a scene. Real girl whining, real woman whining. Real girl whining, real woman whining. Real girl whining, real woman whining. Is a scene, is a the little boss a sweat. Soaking wet.
Yeah. We out here. We getting ready for this parade. As you can see, they got your boy out here half naked. But aside, you know, it's part of the culture. That's how we do. Then we got a whole crew over here. We getting ready to go. You know what I mean? Tony looking like an avatar. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Hey man, don't be showing the stomach.
Go from the neck up, boy. You looking criminal.
We made it done, guys. The troop is getting down the road to all our weeks. How we leave, but in we made. That's how we feel about Port of Spain. Yeah. It's madness everywhere. I jump up in the air. Hey guys, so we are out on the road and we are waiting to get on the main road. We just started, but it is lit, guys. Super lit. The music just stopped, so you can hear me very clearly. It's about to be even lit here. Okay?
1, 2.
Davina, say hi. This is both our first times playing mass, and let's see how it goes from here.
Okay, reaction each and every one. Get in here. Just so they can check it up and back it up. You are the man for the rhythm, get so hype it up. Once you hear the girl and rock it on me and the drum. Fuck up on the rhythm, me say. Like you go on it. Sit up on the rhythm, me say. Like you go on it. Push back on the rhythm, me say. Like it burn up no fire when they want it up. There's only one thing on the mind when they want it up.
Bend over. Go it. Bust it.
We mad again. Please come mad up now. Anyway, anyhow. No girl getting low, cause I had 10 drinks in a row. Head bad and a proud. Real mass in a crowd. Vibes high like a cloud. And the whole place getting loud. Ruction! Do me a favor, don't tell me about behavior. Do me a favor, don't put me in no jail now. Do me a favor, don't tell me about behavior. Do me a favor, yo why? Last time that I check, we just mash up all fit. Last time that I check, whole party get wrecked. Last time that I check, everybody in sweat.
So this is a part of Ultra, and they have our soup, so we're about to go get some soup. Pass the soup. Pass the soup to the left-hand side. No sausage over here. Just pass the soup.
Y'all killing me, y'all killing me, y'all killing me.
Drink some, drink some. Hi, Marissa. It tastes good, it tastes good. Come dance with me. Say video like, what's up?
Yeah, next time. Get there. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Gunman in she hole, she like that. Gunman in she hole, she like that. Gunman in she hole, gunman in she hole, gunman in she hole, she like that. Gunman in she hole, she like that.
They have food for us, all sorts of stuff. Babe just brought me some food. Guys, I'm tired. Babe, what is this? It tastes good. This. This ain't mac and cheese. Eat drunk. This tastes good, y'all.
Fish.
Oh. This thing hurts. Rice and peas. Chicken and ham? Oh, they have mad food then, babe.